recently some friends and I reconnected who we haven't seen each other in probably 20 plus years in person. And we picked up right where we left off. And we did a thing, y'all. We went car camping and it was beautiful. Here's a little preview of what's to come. I don't know if I'm going to make this one long video or if I'm going to break it up into sections, but I thought I'd share this preview with you. We had such a wonderful time and it was absolutely amazing, brave. We all slept on our own site in our vehicles. We had some laughs because the raccoons, well, they were everywhere and they were scaring the heck out of my friends. But it was a beautiful night, a beautiful weekend nonetheless. And we camped at Fort Desoto Park in St. Petersburg, Florida. Actually, Tia Verde, Florida. So, yep, I hope you enjoyed this preview and enjoy what's to come.